Hello Standees decorators! Welcome to Decor Lab. In this video tutorial, we will be showing you how to create these foam board characters. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, we need to find an image for our character. Find an image that you like online, save the file, and remove the background if needed. Next, we will need to have our image printed. You can use FedEx or any other printing services available for you. If you are using FedEx, go to fedex.com and navigate Design and Print, go to Posters, and then click Use Design Templates designed by Canva. Choose the poster size you need, click OK, and Design Studio will open. Click Upload and choose your image. Next, adjust your image to the needed size and click Preview. Verify that everything looks good and then click Continue to add to cart and place your order. After receiving your poster, next step is to apply to your foam board. We are using 3x4 foot foam board. Using a washable glue stick, apply glue onto the foam board. Then apply your poster to the board. Use a scraper to make sure the poster is attached correctly to the foam board and there are no air bubbles. Let the glue dry for a couple of minutes before moving to the next step. Once the glue has had a chance to dry, we will use a craft knife to cut out the image. It is easiest to cut the foam board in two passes. The first time, we will cut just through the poster and top layer of the foam board. The second time, we will go all the way through the foam board. After our image is cut out, we are going to create a supporting leg using two pieces of the foam board, a base piece and a folding leg. First, cut a piece of the foam board 17 inches long and 12 inches wide. This piece will stay on the floor. Make a mark on 2 inches. We will attach the section to the bottom of weenie. Make another mark on a 4-inch for our folding part, and only cut the top layer of the foam. For the vertical folding legs, cut the foam board to the size 17-inch long and 2-inch wide on one side and 4-inch wide on the other side. Mark and cut the top layer 1 inch on the 17-inch side to make our leg foldable. Use glue to attach 17-inch board to the bottom of the beanie. Make sure your 17-inch board has bending upside of the board. Use the folding leg behind the beanie's leg. Use glue to attach around the vertical leg. Now your leg can fold for easy transportation. And just like that, your foam board character is ready. You can use this technique to create any character you want. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. So make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you're sharing your creations on social media. And I will see you in the next video.